Go fastly. Take your clothes.
Yes, I will take the bath.
Take your clothes also while going the bath.
Yes.
Good morning, Ann.
Good morning, Mama.
Wake up. It's too late.
Okay, Mama.
Time
What's
is
the time?
right now is morning 7 a.m. You have to go to school. Do you want to go to school?
Yes, Mama. I want to go to school. Please let me sleep 5 minutes.
No, Maho. It's too late. You don't wake up early, na? Today. So, wake
Okay,
up,
Mama.
huh?
I will wake up.
Okay. Okay, very good. Take your brush and go for the washroom.
Okay, Mama. I will take the bus. Go for the washroom.
Yeah. And switch on the button of the heater.
Yes, I will switch on the button of the door.
That's good. Do you want to take breakfast? What do you want to take today?
I want to take poha.
Okay. You want to take poha, then I'll make for you. Huh? Okay. So be ready soon that you take the breakfast after that. Okay. After coming the bath. Okay. Take your bath. Go fastly. Take your
Yes,
clothes.
yes, I will take the clothes also when while going to the bath.
Okay. Which uniform do you want to wear today?
I want to wear white uniform.
So you have to ready with the tie and belt also. It-
Okay.
Okay. So come on, Bahan. Have you bath? Yes or no?
Yes, I have taken the bath.
Okay. Let me dry your body with a cloth. Fastly, fastly,
Okay.
fastly.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Now wear your all clothes. I have put in us on a sofa. Okay. Go and wear it. Fastly.
Okay, I will wear.
Very good. And now ready
Let
our
me
breakfast.
wear.
Okay. Have you wear all clothes? Do you wear all clothes?
Yes.
Okay. Which uniform do you wear today?
White.
White uniform. Okay. Let me wear your tie first. Let me tie your tie. Okay. I have put on your tie.
I will
Okay.
wear the belt.
Don't go and come here. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me do fastly breakfast, and you just take your breakfast fastly. Okay, with all you
Okay,
have to
I will
take the
take.
breakfast. You have to take with all members. Okay, you have to
Okay.
take breakfast with all members. Let's eat something.
Okay,
Okay.
Mama, I will eat the poha.
So tell me something about my dish.
It
It was
was
yum.
very yummy.
Wow, that's great. Thank you so much. Okay, now it's 7:30. You have to go for you have to go to school soon. Okay. You are going to be late daily. And this time you don't want to take late. Okay? Where is your socks? Where the socks?
On the table.
So take that socks.
Okay, I will wear.
Very good. Is this white socks or colorful socks? Is it white socks or colorful?
White.
White socks. Okay, fine. Where is your shoes? Where is your shoes?
My shoes is in the cupboard.
Speak loudly. Where is
My
your
shoes
shoes?
is in the cupboard.
Okay, and wear it fastly. Which shoes do you
Okay,
want to
I
wear?
will
White or
wear
black?
black.
Black shoes. Okay, wear your white black shoes and I'll give you your bag. Take your bag, beta. Take your
Yes.
bag. Okay. Let me take the key. Yes, I have taken the key. Let's go.
I'll
put you in your school. Okay.
Thank you.
So for this is the video for mom and a son. This is the first conversation of this channel. So if you want to know more conversation of mom and a son, in between more communication, you have to improve your communication skills. So let us to know and be subscribe करने के लिए बोलो.
Subscribe, like and share.
सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. लाईक अँड शेअर नक्कीच करा. थँक्यू.